We are Nebia, creators of the world's most innovative and sustainable shower systems. Now, we're bringing our advanced spray technology to an entirely new category. Introducing Nebia Bidets. We're launching two new products, the top-of-the-line Nebia Electronic Bidet Seat and the Nebia Bidet Attachment. Our electronic bidet is packed with premium features in an ultra-thin design. The adjustable stainless steel nozzle delivers endless warm water with customizable pressure and temperature settings, while the heated seat and warm air dryer take your comfort to the next level. Our bidet attachment slides beneath your existing toilet seat, delivering a custom cleansing Nebia spray at an affordable price point. Even better, both designs are made with recycled plastic components, a first in the industry. Bidets have been around since the 16th century and are common in many countries. Let's face it, cleaning ourselves with paper is messy, unsanitary, and really bad for the environment. Americans consume and hoard more toilet paper per person than anywhere in the world, using over 35 billion rolls of toilet paper, cutting down 15 million trees, and wasting nearly 500 billion gallons of water in production each year. Is there a better solution? One that's not only better for you, but better for the planet too? We think so.
Think about a mess on your car. You wouldn't wipe it with paper. You clean it with water.
Hello, try this.
So why do anything different when it comes to your body? Bidets offer a truly aha moment. The Nebia Electronic Bidet features an ultra-thin design with a sleek magnetic remote, an adjustable stainless steel nozzle with endless warm water, customizable water pressure and temperature, a heated seat and dryer, a simple install with a quick release removal for easy cleaning.
If you're not ready for the full luxury experience, then you've got to try our bidet attachment. It includes our custom spray technology. It's easy to use, takes just minutes to install, and is the perfect introduction to the life-changing experience that is washing with water.
So I just installed my bidet by Nebia. You just sit there, you do your business, you turn it on, and kabushka!
This is going to drastically reduce the amount of toilet paper that we use.
You will thank me, your booty will thank me.
Now that we have one, I don't think that we could ever live without it.
We just installed it. It was super quick, right, Rajan? And we love it.
This is our 6th Kickstarter, and we're here thanks to this amazing community of backers. Our bidets are in their final stages of development, and our production is ready to go. Please back our campaign. Once you try a Nebia bidet, we guarantee you'll never go back. From all of us at Nebia, thank you.